Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up app time limit on iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. In order to restrict the access to an app, then what you need to do is go to the settings. In the settings you want to scroll down and go to screen time. If you didn't set up the screen time, then you will need to turn on app and website activity. So you want to tap over here and turn this on. And once it is enabled, then you should have the option to access app limits, and then you should press add limit in order to choose which apps should be limited, which one you want to limit. Some of them are categorized, like for instance games, you can access all games over here if you have them installed. You can also find social, entertainment, and so on and so forth. Sometimes they are not included, so you might need to search for an app over here. But let's say that I want to restrict all games over here, and after that, once we select it, we need to simply wait. Let me cancel that. Once we select it, then we need to go and press next in the top right corner. Then we can choose the time. So this is the daily time limit. So let's say I want to be able to play games only for 2 hours. So then I set up 2 hours over here. Of course, you can choose minutes as well. You can also choose days. So if you go to customize days, then you can choose specific time limit for specific days. So let's say on Saturday I want to actually let myself play for 4 hours instead, and on Sunday for 3 hours instead. Of course, let's say that you don't want to set up, or if you don't want to have any limit on a certain day, then instead you can set up to just 1 hour and 0 minutes, I guess, or actually not. Well, you cannot really set up the unlimited time, so let's say we can just set up 23 hours and 59 minutes, so that the whole day is actually playable in this game. So instead, we can just create something like this, and yeah, once we are done, press add in the top right corner, and there we go. We have now certain apps limited. Over here we can also see, if you want to, you can delete the timer as well. You just need to swipe to the left like so in order to find the delete button. And that's pretty much it. This is how we can restrict the access to an app based on the time limit. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!